That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yo ta mi da pana mi be mi chave batiri abatiri e bo mi ano ndi sha kon magbo pana mi ke abale ki mi onida ina mi jagon pranse do amanya ke egba yo we cha cha bi achita bi ma akpa me obodo ko mi agere mi apanya jojo ke nya jojo bana gantanyo yo ke ole mi agbo akpo nkawe nye enya yo ke nyatem akpora cho balon ha ke na ron kuji ba 0242670773 enya number ke na tem azako adwa je claim 0242670773 enya kapo je sho ke na tem aza alaba nya anokama nya we na wanyo mi dondi na nya no yo kataima no kusobo anti-crystal, but you can yankosam la way do yankosam la plau crystal la bo tina fodo me sinam le godo pe afia pleto mi okatako do je klimikata mi yo mi be nyantem ya pa roma ala be gbato ha na anokpedi medakbene rich teachers to o to ya dona famaki we dom do nya ona kumo. All right, miagare miafe na jojo ban recover ma chacha track bonka wenye na jojo yoke zuhachi achishon ndia ka na opo ganya miafudu aho badashi nyawo ashicha wonare do pro na miapo magbeda alo no vino vyo yoke pro na chipla gafi Nyanko Nyaborom Niva J Fola Herbal Clinic Newslinks Ever Dictionary, Honorable Richmond Edem Putusu Katan. All right, Africa Today. Africa Today, danger looms. Assemblyman raises alarm over damaged culvert on Yokoti. Wow, Sogakopadi Dome Road. Danger looms. Assemblyman raises alarm over damaged culvert on Yokutipo, Sogakopadi Dome Road. Okay, over Assemblyman le Yokutipo, Ntomafuma, Kuhiare li, Chijajama ke Waka, Bridget Kachitum, Chiale, Fika Mora de Lebe, Chiana Zontu, a morte, Achomo, Egba, Aloblanta. Hele miapo ntoma fuma Nibia Nigeria do ka kwana modo nya the highway stop to assemblyman no last that is South Tom Victoria Jacob to mi ko mi gara fuma la nya pole ke miapo nya ma assemblyman raises alarm over damaged culvert on Yokutikbo Soga Kopadi Dumaro number Yokutikbo Yoni. All right, so that's that. Government Zoom Lion reopen at Chimota transfer station to ease post flood waste crisis. Bola gare kele Achimota Antome Yikotu the chi for Amade Repanyata Uwaga Villa Vifia Momunya Fiko Bola Kogero. So government Zoom Lion reopen at Chimota transfer station to ease post flood waste crisis. All right. So national security threats in a hunter traditional area. Over 100 warriors swear to bloodbath over unlawful custody of the late chief, head by Honorable Mavis Bisio. Interesting headline there. I wish this paper could be clearer than this. National security threats in a hunter traditional area. Over 100 warriors swear to bloodbath over unlawful custody of late chief, head by Honorable Miss Mavis Bisio. All right, when I'm Jim the hunter and Tomafma over a nap of my wife, no tata jama, if yaro tama, do like beo, better taulanyo, amanto taulanyo ho, tauber, Jim la hunter and Tome, Arabe. Blafo over your man longer con no marashi yo prefia for takoli nchina yo. Honorable Mavis Bisio were abacho matakoli heta amanto totala nyon kolanyo na ganyi for komia brava nyamajejo nya amakopo nya na chunya. All right, sabwe lost mamas feed Ghana agenda sabwe no tataka la fia agab wa sabwe ba mama ntepo omle feed Ghana agenda lo ablede de plus bunkuna tore to komenchi Dr. Adam Segwefianya Mare Kalendi Sima wa jambo no China azu shimano no banto ne patia segebato avaime mepe road leaders demand proper drainage. Segebato avaime mepe road leaders demand proper drainage to guarantee road durability. MDA chairman champions development drive to Penoktu Festival mini deba. All right, nyato yokele ntome sege bato avei mama pentom o nora afma go rombe chi jajam ala gbegbe ka yo hiane gota o plato sube achimagade o le ntuma mi kata minyale ke ntuma male tong ema da. And mind you, sege lapo, sege bato, ave ima mpo akpamo kata nostong ima ta yo hiane kota kleto. All right, so stakeholders call for action on Newmont mining impacts at Fair Finance Forum. Stakeholders call for action on Newmont mining impact at Fair Finance Forum. agbonugra kele kpaxɔsi kuku nyawo wome wo takuve tɔxɛ aɖe ke gbɔgblɔme Newmont ke nye sika kudɔwɔƒe aɖe alo kpaxɔsi kudɔwɔƒe aɖe le blutɔ me ɖa ne wo dzagbagba kple sugbe no emɔ kunkɔ ɔnyo kpekpem ɖe dumeviwo ŋuti hã kple sugbe megawɔ be ke ɖova miagba miaƒe kpexɔsiwo kunkɔ ŋgbe yi me. Alright, ƒe ŋkpati ƒe ŋdi wɔna emia ɖo ŋku dzi be ne mi dze wɔna gɔme mi dze agba be miakpɔ ŋka nye adzɔdzɔ ke le miaƒe ŋutɔwo me hã ke egba hoide.com le emiawo miagbɔ elabe eŋu sugbɔ hã ŋdi ayi hã tsatse mia ŋuti ta mi tso Africa Today kpɔ nya ɖewo yiwo ke tso miawo ŋutɔwo me ɖo ŋku dzi amewo hã tade miaƒe adzɔɖeɖo me megbɔ ne sia yi be ne miade miaƒe adzɔɖeɖo me ke ataŋutɔ ata tso fon akɔ tso nane fona nanɔ nyimɔmɔ me aleke meganɔ tsitre o alebe mi ke ne kpɔ le wo ŋutɔ me na ɖi afia mi fa alebe mia awodɔ tso ŋuti akɔ da ɖe TV tsi 0242670773 nye ne nɔmba miame ke le Ghana 0242670773 ko nye nɔmba ke tɔge mia la atsɔ age ɖeka me kpakple ke ne le gbetatukɔ me ke zo +233 242670773 +233 242670773 enye nɔmba ke tsɔgena la atsɔ atsɔka kpakple ale nutsotso yiwo ke ava gbɔnya amewo katã medɔ ge mo katã xlẽ gafi wɔna na wo ekoto miniti ɖeka ɖe ko ga nyina ƒo gã sugbe ma aɖɔ sisi to axɔ nyamekpekpewo ke gbedashi ke le mia gbɔ ke nye miaƒe gbedashi tso ame le megbe na mia si tsahawo tsaha bɔbɔ fiasewo kple ɖokushimo ke kpekpe ɖe mia ŋutia miase woƒe bubudodo miaƒe ta megakasi TV amu megbe na fifi le.
No silence ever English dictionary. Nyateƒe si dictionary aka zɔn afi di pasi ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton ya. Standard ya. Enyone de vio kanu le basic level. Enyone ame kanu le SHS. Enyone ame kanu le university. Alo le language on. Ne nyame ke menye begbe view. Ebi a strong begbe kra ha. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyone ha. Ame sia me kanu nye vi mo jura po. Ene bi a strong begbe ha. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyone wa mama. Nele dile boso so ma de na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Alo number ke na call screen Nigeria. Opo dumitore ka na WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyonto.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 256 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, cái tụi bụi, ta nhớ too much try toy. Một những worms, but a killer.
Oh.
Những mà phải phân, những mà thật mà thùng, mà nó chỉ có một lúc.
That is not the Abraham if you got a kind of lay. I party to find a boy hour. But the husband had the dinner no fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapan or Passy Banny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party talk with Yakokatara.
Well, I'm not chico.
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itapica Dada Secremonton to, Vola Patrica, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola togo? You man no Chicago, Mopong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa todo wala todo fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado kwa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala kwakwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa badashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mia poto yola nyadeba vola fifa lo akululi le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ufuto makata mele to woni dewa eti maklo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima na poto wotu akame wakuto wofukame afukama tutu dokata vola eba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba apoto come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo
Panami ba mile la BoyeMonday TV bondia le toji nya Ŋdi Wɔna enye aji Tony Boye nkosana mile me mia plom chofifia va sere ga wo ke gamso mia ponka nya pe na jojo balba mle pe tanya ha nya yire the custodian NBC buys ancient trains. NPP demands answers. NBC buys ancient trains. NPP demands answers. So, Mr. Hassan Tampuli MP ne kushe kuto ema legbana utadera ogwogolombe NDC to belema kiteke oflam ke NPP to o ndodio ojibono do nyara kavaron nkena fi NDC to belema kiteke oflam ro ale the custodian. Responsible mining, Takrady MP outlines measures to protect water bodies. Responsible mining, Takrady MP outlines measures to protect water bodies. Da ema over Takrady of member of parliament. Takrady of member of parliament. Afung alobe irako agboglombe moyo kujiboyo to afi aku shikale monmi tonche o ma. All right, Parliament backs Ghana GHALII rebrand to expand access to Ghana's laws. Parliament backs GHALII rebrand to expand access to Ghana's laws. All right, Mikbo Bernard here phone on the telephone gromba Jiro Pasao Takbaha Demogbana I'll get what that means later. Government Zoom line reopen at Chimota transfer station and Mahama to revive Commander Sugar Factory over Mahama Aforan Sugar or for a Commandanto my Yogubo, your 3 way. All right. The publisher, the new publisher, let's go to a new publisher. Machinations against Afoko hit dead end. National Council rejects moves to ban former chairman from race. Machinations against Afoko hit dead end. National Council rejects moves to ban former chairman from race. Amos Sablayoka Blamura Afokonchi plus Umgane Mokobo Vazu Shimanola name Pipiale Ganakata Glogoto Jago Amoka Susuwa Malo Magmebi Tompla Suba your choli really requirement Jesus on Atoblan Afoko for Bagba Jamla Vazu Shimanola name Pipiale Glogoto Kata Ma Ajeji O. MPP demands full disclosure on Margaret Thatcher locomotives. NPP demands full disclosure on Margaret Thatcher locomotives. Over MPP to Yohiana Ngomaracho Margaret Thatcher for Ketekeo Yoto Yokoplabo Margaret Thatcher nye Britain, Great Britain, England of Prime Minister Yekanoni in the 1940s. Hikamano, Hikama Valiawo Magatacha no Bereno, and your Prime Minister no Asrafum England. So 1939 to 1945, Margaret Thatcher just you could global blaming. Right, Ajosafo demands high court trial in shooting case. Ajosafo Globlomba Yejiva Nyaika Nyayefa Nyaikale Gomaje Von Droffer Kenyam at Circuit Court, no Chonyako High Court. Now for Leland Toto Nano Yamanchi. All right, Captain Smart vows to rescue crumbling Mumford Harbor. Captain Smart vows to rescue crumbling Mumford Harbor. Captain Smart no tatalefia Boblomba, Captain Spania Jokakala, Mchangi Atema plus Suba, manager for Kenya Mumford, manager for Anakboatro, Ano, Tengwano Doma Yoga. All right, me either the informer. Mahama protects state assets as cabinet approves landmark reform bills. Mahama protects state assets as cabinet approves landmark reform bills. The informer. Mahama protects state assets as cabinet approves landmark reform bills. Dukopala Babajamba ya Atukbore Jirufa and you bounce Alvaro Kushimaraka ma aplo Achodio Putukumo. Ramata Ashidam Asaye Arota Grosuba Ma no Bobe Be Jiru Domagaraka Apple Jirufani Bachoro Rito. In this issue, towards reviving Ghana's textiles industry, Varsity Dawn proposes dedicated ministry. Varsity Dawn proposes dedicated ministry. Like Banama, Bananyala, Banafinyala, Koda Dwajaba, Dwakatanasi, but na Ghana for Avowopo, Yoka, Ozu, Agbarudopo, Yoka, Ojani, Obo, Toro, Anotem, Anofoji, Auto, I won't tell na bana duko ke ejewe jiru na atoshi jiru do magara konji bo po afowo Ghana pa fowo pleto fanya jile Ghana, and that is what we mean by varsity done proposes dedicated ministry. Bana fifi nyala re bo grombe ajo minister na no enko ministry na no enko for ministry for textiles. Ministry for textiles. I don't know if there was something like presidential initiative, ministry for textiles, yeah, textiles, PSI, arrangement thing, you know, and that kind of thing. All right, Apenyo marking defends free speech as parliament debates democratic freedoms. Apenyo marking defends free speech as parliament debates democratic freedoms. All right, Apenyo marking for Kenya NPP talk at Talaso Takbaham of Nunola Pung Oglomba Ejewe Blorano Ibamona do Swat Bocho Dunya Unchi Anya Orumchi Manomi Eke Sotakbaha no Umajum Arono Anya Lengpo La Sotakbahame. All right, we want to come home. Ghanaian children cry over xenophobic abuse. We want to come home as Ghanaian children cry over xenophobic abuse. Like Banapo, Dudumaza, Tanya Kakau, Refia, Dranya, Ghana Vio, Vifam, Trobova, Tumayoswa, Ghana Vio, Ghana Pendevio, Katavifam, Katu Koplola. South Africa do Corona Matata Cyril Ramaphosa, South Africa, Togo do Coppola, John Dramani Mahama, Ghana do Coppola on Matatawi Majama. Tariff increment on bedding consumers, deal with operational loopholes, ECG told. Tariff increment don't burden consumers, deal with operational loopholes. Senyo Huzion or Tataraf Mike and Bok oil top of Domaga. A Boblom Nigeru, Dobek, Panama, Carina, ECD, carried up over hey. You should have direct for Gina, Carib, America, Veroka, Caria, for Homa, O man of Fukbamo, Nemion Tomia Lankura, Bagbapo, Mapa Dora, Papa, Bagbapo, Fioka, a Gauto Trum, Baying Hamoka, Cadisan for Mahi, American Jew, Domacao. Mo go zanga ke mitama mo chomo alomaro kra mitama lo shikongoro ko puapore depois yo new site o ko chokano free bronze azangbo oyi mo gbo asere gbo mionto mi apa formare mare room na mi agbaru ngare funa mi ple ofo gbogbo yakho government zoom line reopen at Chimota transfer station. All right, mi azore ngo akpo metro lens da Metro Lens. Chad studies NHI success story. Chad studies NHI success story. Du kore Kenya Chad Africa du ko viare ko na Chad over Ghana over strong to a lake. Chidudu ada ona toma plus miano konji informahe ta lake Ghana wa jama fi pa du ko avion chi wo he konji from a Kenya na neka chat to come over some strong cho old train big bill MPP questions government deal. Old train big bill MPP questions government deal. MPP to human anonymous samo Ketike Huporo, Uchobe, Yuponya Galifia. I just have asked AG to elevate shooting case. I just have for Blomne, Jirupa Senyalaga plus one draw, Dopa, Jipopo Boblomba, Boblonuba, no Jagua Choi Panacho, Comaja, one drop a choy there, but the machine drop a lake. Balanchi plus for Burkina Faso cut ties with France. Macbo Traore Abraham Traore on Matatelafia, Emmanuel Macron on Matatelafia, Goglomba Ibrahim Traore, Kachachara Kamagala, Yopla France Dumont. Ibrahim Traore, You're not gonna hold on. I'm no more your friend. That's just what it is. All right. The Daily Democrat. 42 firms rush for catapult. 42 firms rush for catapult. EPA green lights ignites multi-billion CD investment race as GPHA targets 2027 completion. All right. Fiasa alo do pe blan vova fiasa alo do pe gamblan vova o gbagba jem hovlin plus bo cho do na yarba yo yira catapult do ji awu no ara ba ji ru di to mo kokoko apo ka gbona kenya pe akba blava von drama ye yo kata manage fangu gata enye jijina do pe aro aba do pe blan vova ro bo no cho do na ya plus bo yo ala fora wan meli japan atwa won na katato. All right, turn Asamoah Gyan's gesture of chocolate gift on DSTV into World Cup marketing strategy. Turn Asamoah Gyan's gesture of chocolate gift on DSTV to World Cup marketing strategy. Over Asamoah Gyan chocolate cocoa chocolate ike oda chococo ma nyavuma vivingu areka nyaguna odi chokukuma wa Asamoah Gyan po chocolate ovai ma le TVG ya nanya nanika dukona kpo adeshi abo ochwe achowo obludo wona re chocolate le Ghana po bagba jemola ba ya apliho le hikama katago to po aboku wona ke jemola American to a woman. Nordic Hygiene Care Industry manufactures sanitary pads locally. Nordic Hygiene Care Industry manufactures sanitary pads locally. Northern Hygiene Care, you can dovare, you can look at dove, babajamba, yo no young for Belgodi warm like Ghana Fia, Machucho, but I do come, but Lagodinia, Kafla, we have Wopa Godijin, Kozana, ko. President cut short for phase 2 expansion of Central Oil Refinery. President cut short for phase 2 expansion of Central Oil Refinery. Cancellation of Zoom-like contract Western Accra funding. Ghana Medical Trust Fund courts regional ministers to drive national public awareness campaign. All right. Juba dope kanya gaka vigare ko darina konjinya klosuba gaona no mabako kwera monchi le konjinya o chacham nto magic bola ojika o fufu nto magic bola ha bagbajembe ona duaja na sayo ko to wona koma klosuba odashim albo yo nyo ka nya takaka kwero njiba jirupa for iko 2 sumlayon for do econom le game to me ikanya sidiki jipoplo gota me de do na o yo kana ba mar kon ga to ma mo kaka hala mafi baruro le fisha fi o chu dapa apo me place ko jiba garagota me na ba chiamo da me game to man ke alak ba ka du ko plola do na to ma plus suba Central Oil Refinery ikanye tumami hoshi kufa kple era puya nakakata albora mila Ghana. Education Ministry launches nationwide campaign against drug abuse in schools. Harna idrusu ikanye juru domaka kona sukuda nyao jono tata maje jono bana ofodera ko bomba sukuda dopa jikbo po cho wana de ton plus uba yo fien sukuvio kata ba ojujo ba von machio zaza amachi von amachi bara o tama von zaza ala ba ngbam lo nchi ala gwelo daily guide Reverend Wingham urges pastors to remain steadfast. Reverend Wingham urges pastors to remain steadfast. Jewelry, firm drags Downwell Insurance to court. Jewelry, firm drags Downwell Insurance firm to court. Under 17 social media ban, MPs back. CRI call. Under 17 social media ban, MPs back. CRI call. High Court nullifies Ghana Traditional Council Judicial Committee appointment. High Court nullifies Ghana Traditional Council Judicial Committee appointment. Mahama plans 5-year term for presidents, MPs, DCs. Mahama's plans 5-year term for presidents, MPs, DCs. Transfer Kojo Safo trial to High Court. Adjoa Safo to AG. Transfer Kojo Safo trial to High Court. Adjoa Safo to AG. Dagba onya oboglomba ba. Nuna Gane Assembly de Assemblies of God talk on Nuna Gan Boglomne Usofo Omoga Waloglodo Jimaga de Lofu no Blaliji o Dona Cristo Alawa Jiru Azoto ke Chicago Gakla Loga Wodo for downward insurance coil down insurance and opare Kakwana Yohua Mopa Gajojo, Kodari, plus Baby Foku Patare Joroja, or Queron Shiplaga, Mio Lanyo, Alabalama. Parliament, MPO Catala Parliament, South Takwaha, Manolokata, Udamabene, Jupa Takwaha, Kakpona, the Fiopa upload the kple, over the Denonology Ghana, Child Rights International, top, your Mola, Ubak, Nigeria. No was surplus if you make a bland recology for Moganum, but block bomb like apology. Mokoya vala yo can Facebook, or TikTok, yoke, but va liquor panaglomole, number hope of yan recology walk, Bomo and Blay of bomb the fun or geo. High Court, you can upon rope. Koko Domatora Kale Game Tafokbo Ghana Traditional Council Ikenya Game Tom Fia How Takbaha Be Ocha Amarobo on your Judicial Committee appointment on your Maro Yokanya draw how Manola Oba. You cannot have a judicial committee. We have courts to handle your cases. Yonto Megacho Nyaro Koda Europa Shimoto Nibanya Oba your draw Nyaro from draw. Poikin Jupiter on drop of Yaonia to Grafia How Ashime Kabago Mahama them to my burn. So Takahama Yamo woman Fiono, SG Abapa Tonwe, Kakojusafo, Puenya Curler, one drop a Kanya Gomaja, one drop a Galafia, Joseph Wombono Chupanya of Macoy, one drop of core, Pasuba, or Nya Ocho Forenya and Chi. The Business and Financial Times. Business and Financial Times. May the big push road projects bring us joy. May the big push road projects bring us joy. More like Bayo, Kajurabi, the Dome, Mania Fio, ye Black Baramoto, don't Chalaka, Bukopania, Elefia, Bago Glomba, and more Dumulana, Gijoviname. Now, Miss Siba, Miapa, Amuganto, Amor Dumula, Siga, Mo Akbaganto, Aniko, Prani, Pupio, Locoramoji, Bocano, Temafi, Jajagava, Le Miamoka, who Maryland, Tomafia, Maka, Dumla, Mok Bajaiko, Dum Jojo, Trafaga, Achuma Fiago, Sokori, Hukaga, Coinarigia, Chimo Blamblu, America Fukmanimi, Watu Chiamalaka, Chanaka, Jakava, Toko, Dugara, Naramoji, da. Double work a mommy, Melamina Cuckoo, Nemi Wagami Black by Meow, my angel, but Dobo, Meow Ruru, Meow Aconta, Meow Jajrarumi, Pasuba, Nemi Cho, a Moko, Mia Black Play, I wish the cow, never Akukomoji, Yatuta Mobile Hall, Darren Burglar, Fiaso, Nakakara, Kumeva Kuka, Koramoji, Chinagano, got Aramojo, Mirakukunami. EY Private Equity Pulse key takeaways from Q1 2026. That's an advertorial trade. GEPA opens Ghana Trade House in Philadelphia, deepening commercial footprint in the United States. All right, Jirupa Dovekwana, Nyapa Shichata, Nyapa Ashichangu, Alo, Dukama Pongwa, Chochoko, Betatuko, Matosubia Chasple, Betatuko, Betatuko, Gavi Church over Ghana, Panyaga, the Fiabo Gromba, Ovu Ashicha, America, Duko, by Economic Philadelphia, NLA flags 1 billion annual loss for illegal lottery. NLA flags 1 billion annual loss for illegal lottery. UMB marks Father's Day with courtesy call on Mahama. UMB marks Father's Day with courtesy call on Mahama. UMB, ikanya bank, that's bank, yeah, bank on yeah. Universal, that should be Universal Merchant Bank, I should think. Gara Mahama G, Father's Day for Father's Day go do Father's Day nya kosh da kawai manya choto ya ro me chava ito ni choto. I think that should be it. All right. Can network with family and friends, explore opportunities, and build lasting partnerships. All right, that's a promotional. The health work. All right, again, Tom. Local dollar bond trading jumps 4,684% to US dollars 35 million US dollars in 5 months. Local dollar bond trading jumps 4,684% to $35 million in 5 months. All right. Jiru for bagba jamono be adoga cho du come view ko shi gala le ko mo ga han ga na po nya ko mo go du come view ogba o gadam re jiru for Ŋdi Wɔna yo ko o cho the banko universal bank show bank $35 million bagba enya jiru atan po cho e ga yo do mo cho du come view shi e kenya je shi ga le du come view shi de ka be mo fa shi ha o carry din boto yikana number bocholo do confusion be ocho pe ko magao acho ajaro alo acho to na chiru prosuba ocho du turo dowe kayo jibaba jamba wo na ya amo uwo ma alagbegbe ewu bablo akpalo fare reka akpalo akpebla am o ni ke ponjiru ala miachogba akpebla nevo andrema nenya reka o pona chafiopo akpebla nevo anderson. All right, miawunu kple chronicle miawunu kple chronicle ke na mi chronicle voa miakpo press statement are yike otona mi miakodare do abanya jojo kakafo ina Ghana Civil Aviation Authority tobe miare gbepare ne do amioge afmi ajokpo aire gentome chi amoran gentoma legbegbe miakpo yike leke chingblam le gentome no ha ne miakosa me chingblam le fika na lakaba ke jona cho video achora mi la 024267 Gs out of 0242670773 0242670773 G out of nya azao acho ako afiam du akata. All right, miawu kple chronicle. The chronicle plot to disqualify Afoko fails. Council of Elders shoots down petition. Plot to disqualify Afoko fails. Council of Elders shoots down petition. Afoko no metatalefia babajambe anyeshima no la nimpi pitola kana kaza glugudo kama rotu mbibi be yo jagba bagble konko agble yepo jijima mba maga famu we abaso jiman anono ke omokpota no sebla iko afokonchi majejio alabe hammaga na MPP obawo kabanto eje sugosuba wono aholiame abashimanola in big push projects. Value for money won't be compromised. Mahama dukola ma le hotulo kwa kukuma ke dofo paglojo haboblone dukoba fi no na rek maji ga le modo nya o ashibugure dukoba gama mata jibero marka ga hoga be auto na jirako o va o dokpa yo la ro ashi aluma auto for konye. All right, minority warns Ghana spending on outdated railway equipment. Minority warns Ghana spending on outdated railway equipment. Kamigakbo Al-Hassan Suleiman Tampuli for no tatalefia wogwon tukokra Ghana to kle jirura Ghana jirura atashona klo mogava chogacho apple ketike nchi ketike monchi kle nko hiaro kanya kabobla wona bereo ovazu gachi kotumene lokishimare o yokele jiru ama o ke gbana una yonya kple monya pipi egbato cho Salomo agbana blabo for the ke pipi bi de ke liame Salomo agbana blabo for the ke pipi bi de ke liame. Though they plan evil against you, though they devise mischief, they will not succeed. Psalm 21 verse 11, though they plan evil against you, though they devise mischief, they will not succeed. Bala sona monya pipi chowuna epanya we ke ba monya pipi ko makmona 50 kg NPP to nyame ke nya jojo ban to he den nya jojo drani kala ba na ta denya ne oro vorenchio ne wo seblarenchio ma jejio ne oro vorenchio no seblarenchio ma AJGO. All right, Miakbo press statements are press statement from the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority press release. GCAA assures public of investigation into alleged mistreatment of KLM passengers bound for Accra. For immediate release, Accra, Ghana, Sunday, 20th June 2026. The Ghana Civil Aviation Authority, GCAA, as noted with concern videos circulating on social media showing stranded passengers expressing dissatisfaction over the alleged treatment by KLM in Amsterdam in connection with flight KL059, which was scheduled to arrive in Accra from Amsterdam on Saturday, June 27, 2026. As Ghana's aviation regulator, with safety, security, and customer protection as our top priorities, the GCAA has commenced an investigation into the circumstances surrounding the reported tarmac delay and the alleged mistreatment of some passengers. The authority will engage all relevant stakeholders and communicate the outcome of the investigation where appropriate in accordance with established regulatory procedures. The GCAA remain committed to ensuring safety and security of passengers with high standards of safety within the aviation sector, and issued by the Ghana Aviation Authority, Accra International Airport, Accra. Resources for editors. All right. About GCAA, the GCAA was established in 1986. The GCAA is the regulatory agency for air transport in Ghana. It provides air navigation services, airspace management within the Accra Flight Information Region. Licenses air transport operations and regulates the operations of aerodromes in the country. It is also responsible for the economic regulation, customer protection, and the facilitation of efficient aviation operations and practice. Chadidi kple mozozo jile Ghana ke kwire ko nana je jile mya pofun ji ncho keke memira gbe wa zu ko shira gbe ji Ghana fiaro ko la Amsterdam o duaya la keke gbe la ba ya mo po yo ba ko a chove Ghana me fare gaminju remata to wa no wum o mo ga ka no goro anu ru chom awo ru nyu wo po sugbe na ya mo bu ba ru ya mo bu ko koshiramo gbeko yowaro ke yamovu a echimegbe eyi ke wodo fo so kofia yamovu do pa roko fondoro gbo basa wonya wo funya kweto Ghana bi ogba ya papa le Amsterdam ni a chalmia funo ji mi kpoga cho da mi apeti bi oji na yi me cha chalmia chi okirako ramata ji wo do fo pona amopo yamovu yamovu so yamovu mozo yamovu pa cho ko yi akogbe pleto ple yamovu kuroro ji gbogbombo yo ngawo kun yo mo lono grama na ke mgbe ku amaro ko na won fiti ara ke ple Ghana fio le peta du komo KLM yamobu ikeromo leke yamobu apa number nye KL059 da KLM toma buame okwecho benyo Ghana vio nyo milere kamo yo kache buaya paklinya to he kalino yo naga yo nyama kum leko misaga ka nyawo plano tata ka jejil mi fa TV oji echi amora malebebe echi aya du convene ni anovio po mi amokata la mkanto mafia toto mi amoka la hofia echi chochu aba gandre moko kuchino jajame ano jajame buka ka baseren dia kemi fu mafia echi gajajam re ayata Mia evaro miagbo makuku ya varo miagbo ye ejejan le miafa TV oji echi amodam le egin ale gbegbe ma opletowe ye yo pome mile miafa TV oji le ndia ma yo miafa nkola ya kple no viawe michota miagbo le ndia na kwa ya kama sube mafo bedachicho ameklo ngona mi kle kafi odao miagboro na jiba ya kpole ke chamaram ichira mo kaka mo le chama kaka ba wo ko bokra ke yira bo ngba ti le Facebook ha pe fa ma ko me le ti ya ji amagba to ma le chi ma ya to me o ma ya to nwe ma ma nya su ga ko pe ma nya to ve ma nya mu agba ma nya ko je ji o lo ma nya tato lo ma nya katapila ga lo katapila jema Manyamwema ke gemazu toro me kon polo ba ho don chuchu ya no trova nyazo ngo makakashi TV ya komo magbona
No silence ever English dictionary ya tepe but si dictionary aka so afi e passe K no silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view can the basic level and you know American SHS and you know American university allow the language on then you make a view and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary and you know I'm a make an never view and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama let's so mad than a place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria open to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie nine junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, keke to Boye. Tanya too much toy. Boye worms, kple.
Oh.
Never for fun. Never got too much to move. I'm not go.
That is not a brother to Baraka in LA. I particularly calling for Boye hour. But the husband didn't run fear. Koko ina duna for gara wenye ya pono pasi bani ko hi wonta nyani kurama wala pasi ko ko nya ko katara ge
Bo bueno chico e plolo
vai batakalo sugo ita biga dada se cremon tonto wala pasi ko wa busielo weto sina
mayire vola to gbo ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje
vola chika no pla na zama Fiva nana kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
Miapa to do wala to fita itanye za fola chika miato matoro ha woza fola chika fofo jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to onaula masa
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina ne miayi vola eba senta afima mi apoda yo la nyadeba vola e fifa lo akuluri le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achi de padaka o futo makata mele to woni de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo aputo kame wa futo wo fukame fukame tutu dokata vola eba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodoro come on vola
yo miapon pola akpana mi e ngati pe Ŋdi Wɔna enye ajim Tony Magboy ye miaprom chomo popa ko de akpame abloga na mi be mi cho Ewenyigba TV be ye kokoko yenye yo pe TV yo ke mi anu popom ndishan dike akpena mi yo mia azorango atung enyarka varo yo ke also trending issues ba ni pom mi o TV yo jenye chi kamerem alagbegbe eho ikemi la fia ho technical university ikemi on mi la fia nesina kareji echi jajam aleke gbegbe echi jajam aleke gbegbe kaka gbagba jembe ya damo menye nya fi konwo alawe emo yo ke jiwa de to mo be ododo kata emo cho keke Trafalgar bato Maryland woto ento mafia kaka wa dro soko de chi kagana moji angblam alagbegbe enye gbanto ike nchocho gbanto ike miatan amuganto kata cho aleke ngoji mem echi ma moram akpobe de vio echi apo de chi fodi to makra nane eka nshaka la nyo yema echi aja kaka gbo to flese amo flese kata ochichime nane viare ko poto fiako zingli nabu ne zingli nabu rechiame na po afia no tata ro kra zing echiaka fro zingli aro chiakra da to zingli aro takweto again to me malo again to me ma le oyibi lopo ya ye echin nglem le aleka ta jeba mashame na ano document. This is a part of Accra got flooded due to heavy downpour on Sunday, 28th of June. Na video Jim na hoa na nebe adu video ha taire Ewenyigba TV le Facebook na Ewenyigba TV le Facebook ha video kpoka fuma nyanya gbanto ma jim le kia ejim le hofia ha echo abe gaton ina gane moko ko chije goma echichoka jajam awo gbafivie anyovie achoha aja ato an diamond phone fia la be minute wo ike ko to fia ko gashi kana fo chigajajam ka enyin to ka chimamoso afi va domana fiata ehia ba mi katamia don nyano ndo na chi do aje na fudu ya homo na chi do aje na fudu ya homo na chi aja jama o ga no lomo aje ba to ne le do pare ke echi dena amola lo chi nye chi mo jalo nye balima o to ane ga no te fa pom akpo pam na kpo pom akpo ba de na chi jare emi na kaba alo na chi ja echi wuna nyingba ekpe na chi jare echi no na fma keke veton ajo na kpo ma de shi kana kpo afike wo afike ko me vinere na la toji alo kpoji a ku hemala ngofun akemia mi okala balioma nyakure mianchi anchi ya jamaro no na atai kemile de vima akpobenechi ya jamaro yo kafla lumi kata amaro miamo mino khovizio makwa manyana no ba khomakbo kaka nechi ya jama aro na chiora shero